Okay, so we're going to move to tyranny in ancient Greece. A tyranny is a form of government in which the ruling power is in the hands of an individual who has seized control, often by illegal means. The word tyranny comes from the Greek word tyrannos, which means usurper with supreme power. Over time, a person who ruled by tyranny, or a tyrant, became known for holding on to power by cruel and abusive means. Tyrannies in Greece first arose during the mid-600s BCE. In many city-states, a growing wealthy middle class of merchants and manufacturers became angry with their rulers. This middle class demanded political and social privileges to accompany their newfound wealth, but the ruling oligarchies refused to grant them a say in the government. Various individuals, mostly former military leaders, responded to the demands of the middle-class population and promised to make the changes they wanted. Backed by the middle class, these individuals seized power from the ruling groups. Once they were in power, these leaders, or tyrants, often reformed the law, which means changed the law, aided the poor, canceled debts, and gave citizens other than nobles a say in the government.